Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel and to this week's vlog. Now, there's just something about starting the week off with a kind of apartment reset that just gives me good vibes. Start of the week, clean apartment, increases productivity for me personally anyway. I definitely recommend giving your space a big spring clean ready for the week ahead. And increasing productivity is definitely something that I am going to need to do this week because it is a jam-packed week. For example, big to-do list for today. My brand Studio du Jour had a drop last Friday, went incredible. So a big thank you to all you guys for the support as always. Now, about 90% of those orders have been dispatched. So you guys should be receiving them soon, which is incredibly exciting. But yeah, there's about 10% of the orders left to pick, pack and get out to you guys. So we're going to go to the studio and get that done. I also obviously need to show you guys the new studio as well. I kind of left you on, I guess, a bit of a cliffhanger in the last video. So yeah, I need to show you the new space. Like I said, get these orders out. And then on top of that, this evening, I have a brand dinner with Molten Brown, which is super exciting. Actually, before we go, I have to say this. About 70% of you lot that are watching this video right now are not subscribed. So if that is you, please hit that subscribe button. It helps the videos a lot more than you think. So yeah, hit subscribe if you are not already, and I guess give the video a thumbs up as well. Okay guys, so I want to showcase some of the pieces that have just launched from my brand Studio du Jour. I have said it in a load of recent videos. I want to start showcasing a lot more of the brand in these videos. So that's definitely something that we're going to do. As you can see, we are in the new studio space. I'm going to show you this entire space after this segment. So yeah, stick around for that. These are all live right now, worldwide shipping. There'll be the first link in the description. Now, firstly, for anybody that doesn't kind of know the background and I guess the journey of all the pieces from Studio du Jour, they're all completely custom made from start to finish here in the UK, which I absolutely love. Like literally everything. The fabric is milled in the UK, the pieces are cut and sewn in the UK, the colors, the custom washes, the pre-shrinking, the branding, that is all also done here in the UK. I absolutely love that because one, I know all the workers are getting paid fairly, but on top of that, just the overall quality of every single piece as well and the craftsmanship is literally second to none. Like, it's impeccable. So to quickly go through what has launched and what is available right now. Firstly, we have the heavyweight. I'm actually going to stand on this side because the natural light's better, but we have the heavyweight washed red hoodies. As you can see, the wash is absolutely beautiful. And if anybody has purchased from Studio du Jour before, you'll know the kind of cut and fit of the hoodies is literally insane. So yeah, it's that same kind of boxy, oversized fit, slightly cropped in the length. And like I said before, incredibly heavyweight. These are actually made from 500 GSM loopback cotton, and they actually start in like a natural ecru colorway, and then once they go through the wash process and the dye-in, that adds more weight on top of that as well. So these are coming in as a finished garment around 550 GSM, so incredibly heavyweight. The very first time we've done this type of color with this type of pop, and yeah, I'm a big fan. I am incredibly excited about. And this is a brand new design. It is the heavyweight Members Club hoodie. Now this is in our best-selling Bistro Green colorway, as you can see, literally beautiful. But it does have the Members Club puff print branding, which is absolutely insane. Like, I could not be happier with how this came out. The puff print branding is perfect. And I kid you not, we went through, I want to say about 8 or 9 rounds of sampling of just the puff print alone to get this right. Now, I couldn't do a Members Club hoodie and not have a mild grey kind of variation of that as well. So yeah, exactly the same as the Bistro Green, same puff print, same detailing, same fit, same fabric, but just a mild grey. And before our Bistro Green came along, this mild grey was actually our best selling colour throughout the entire collection. So sweats, hoodies, sweatshirts, everything always sold out. So definitely a really popular piece for us. From there, we also dropped some sweatshirts as well. Bistro Green, the Members Club, same puff print detailing on the front, same puff print on the back, and also the exact same fabric as the hoodies as well. So same heavyweight, same silhouette. The actual pattern for this we made based off the silhouette of our hoodies. So very similar to the hoodies. If anything, the sweatshirts are a little bit more cropped. So I guess that is something to kind of keep in mind. And then the red sweatshirt, the blanc red, this is actually, well, I'm giving you a preview here because this is actually coming for Black Friday. So yeah, that is something to kind of look forward to. Don't really know why I'm showing you this, guys, because it's not even available on the website just yet. But the black sweatshirt, t-shirt wise, we dropped the Members Club t-shirt, puff print detailing on the front, on the back, sorry. This is like a boxy, oversized fit, slightly cropped in the length. And this is made from 300 GSM single jersey cotton. So really nice drape, really nice heavyweight. And this also, as well as all the pieces, goes through an entire like pre-shrinking process. So you don't have to worry about any of these pieces shrinking in the wash. They hold their shape. And then last, but of course not least, we restocked the best-selling wide leg heavyweight sweatpants. These, I literally have them on right now. I changed into them before, but these are, in my opinion, the best fitting wide leg sweatpants on the market. They honestly, they're literally incredible, and they are an exact color match to the hoodies because everything is cut from the same roll of fabric. But I know that the quantities are already running low, so definitely be quick if you're on the hunt for some wide leg sweatpants. So yeah, guys, if there is anything that you like the look of, hit the link in the description, place your order. I'll head over there, get it packed and sent out to you as quick as possible. But yeah, as always, I appreciate all the incredible support. And now, I guess let's show you guys the studio space. All right, so as you can see, we are in the new studio space. Now, this is the entrance. On the right-hand side, straight away, we of course have a dartboard. You can't not have a dartboard in your kind of studio or I guess office space. Now, if you take an immediate left as you walk into the space, you come to this area. Obviously, as you can see, this is where I kind of keep all the stock. This is where I pick and pack all your guys' orders. Obviously, we've just had a launch, so the stock is running very low, as you can see. But yeah, essentially, this is where I keep all the stock. This shelving is usually full as well. But something to kind of bear in mind throughout this entire walkthrough, I guess, of the studio, I've only just moved into this space, so I've got a lot of work that I want to get done. For example, this kind of dark grey wall here, that is all going to be painted white. So yeah, definitely a lot of work to get done. But yeah, this is the little pick and pack area. Now, as we move on and get a little bit deeper into the studio, we get to this space, and straight away, you guys can see that this studio is massive compared to my previous one. We're talking maybe 3 times the size, which is absolutely crazy. But yeah, this is the little kind of chill area. And like I said, bear in mind, I've only just moved in, like not even a week. I moved in, quickly brought this stuff, and then had a launch. And I've obviously been getting all those orders out. So I've not had time to properly decorate the space. And that is something that's gonna take, it's gonna take a while because it's a big area and I have my own kind of ideas and concepts that I wanna do. One of those being this floor. As you can see now, it is like a medium to dark gray. I want to kind of epoxy resin the entire floor and have it as a really nice light gray. So that is definitely gonna be a big job, but I think it will look insane. So yeah, something to bear in mind. It is a long-term project, but it's a project that I'm really excited about, and I think it's gonna make for some amazing content as well. But yeah, this is the little kind of chill area. I need to get a coffee table. I need to still get a coffee machine. This rack in here is gonna be where I store the kind of packaging bits for the brand, obviously the boxes, the paper, like the craft paper bags. But I definitely need a bigger rug, like we're talking twice the size. So yeah, if you guys have any recommendations, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Now, walking down here is when you guys are gonna get a better idea and a better understanding of just how big this space is. Like, it's absolutely massive. And it is actually a huge kind of converted mill that has then been converted into kind of multiple studio spaces. And this little area down here, from this pillar down, the previous tenant actually had this entire space painted white from the floor and also the original brickwork as well, because this is what they used as their photography area. And obviously that is what I'm going to use this space for as well. So this is where I'm going to be shooting all my e-com. That is going to be down this area. It's going to be kind of converted into a perfect kind of in-house photography / studio space. I'm debating painting the floor area here back white as well, just so it's even brighter for the photography. But you guys let me know in the comments down below what you think. But yeah, you're probably starting to get a better understanding of just how big the space is. And then if you flip the point of view, this is what you get looking from that side down. Now, I can't lie, guys, I really wish the tenant hadn't painted the roof brick white on that side, because I absolutely love how this kind of stripped back brick, or whatever you would call it, looks. It's a lot more original, and yeah, I definitely prefer the roof on this kind of 3/4 of the space as opposed to that last quarter. However, I do understand that it was for kind of photography purposes, so I guess it's a lot brighter. But yeah, this is how it looks on this end. Like I said before, the dark grey walls here, they're all going to be painted white, so it is going to be a lot brighter. The floor, again, is going to be a much lighter grey, so that will also kind of brighten up the space. We have this kind of mid-century style sideboard here, which I've styled with a few Studio du Jour pieces. And of course, the pride and joy, the dartboard. So this is how the space is currently looking. But like I said, this is literally just the beginning. I've got loads that I want to get done to it. And yeah, it's going to take years, but I'm excited for the process and the journey, and to obviously bring you guys along with that as well. But yeah, if you've got any I guess, kind of suggestions on what you think I should include in the space and what you would like to see, definitely let me know in the comments down below. But as of now, I need to get home, get showered and get ready because I've got a dinner with Molten Brown to go to and it's in like 90 minutes. So yeah, we're gonna get home and I'll bring you guys along with me.